The slow speed must be in this 10 rep, 10 rep. And then to make the English menu. English menu here is the computer. Computer here can 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the 4 different sizes in one time, in one pieces, the moldings. And this is the 4 sides and can write the 4 different lengths in here. And also the third one is for the quantity, pieces of this length. And after, for example, you write the 150 millimeter, the length here to the 20 pieces. After cut the 20 pieces, the 150 millimeter length, it will move to the next side. Cut the 200 pieces, 200 millimeter, 4 pieces, and then running to the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But for now, we only need to cut the first one. Number 1, if you want to cut the 3, 1, 2, 3 different sizes, write 3 here. Then machine will cut the quantity like from 1, 2, 3. This quantity with this length. But for now, we only to cut the 1 for text. And the length for this is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. This means we can, like for example, I can write this 6. I cut the 6 pieces, and then it will finish all the pieces 19 centimeter, like that, 90 centimeter to finish cutting, to cut the 6 pieces. And then now we start to press this, and then to see what happens. 好，我们要开始了。那我直接按了，你要先按一下那个开关，打开水。Press the cooling button 1 time. Then 4 running. And then here we put the cooling button again. Running. To start the cutting. And when you need to stop walking, and to here, make this the run button to stop walking. After you press 1 time, then it will run again to stop that, like this. This is stop the machine. And here, to turn off the machine. Then, machine will stop walk. This is how to use this for this. And to open the water or cold water systems is in this side. This side we have 1 button here. Open, air pressure will go side, and then water will come. And after running, this will keep in a cold temperature. And water will need to put in this side. We have water bottle here, and then after you get this machine, you put water inside. Then cold system will put water in here. Also, this has an oil bottle here. After you go to this machine, you just put the oil inside, and then machine will run into from this tube to go to every side like this. Oil will go here to make this all the oil. To make the machine work well. Okay, this is a TS-J39, the cutting machine for the cutting aluminium. Also, the cutting is very less. This is the cutting very less waste for the cutting. And after cutting, we can use the rubber to make it together. Oh, no space. Close very well for each. Okay, this is the Tyson frame. The TS-J39 PQJ cutting machine for all the camera. Thank you. When you change the mode, you must use the stainless steel to ensure that the tool set is in one straight lines to ensure it in the same position. Like this, to use the ruler to ensure the position, and then to lock the screw. When you put the moldings, you can put this frame in this side. See here, there's a step here. And then to put the molding, go inside of the cutting mold. Go inside that. See here. And then it will stop on here, this molding. It means all the moldings will in the same position. Then to start cutting. To put all to the plant in the same position. And then we start to cover that. Take it is off.
The more you take, the more you
Yeah. We'll customize all your molding to the molding.